Hi guys, for today's ingredients you'll need 2 kilos of thinly sliced chicken breast, 500 grams of breadcrumbs, 40 grams of garlic powder, 200 grams of shredded cheese, 200 grams of grated cheese, which I've used pecorino, but you can use whichever you like, a bunch of chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 8 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of garlic mince. We're making a really big batch today so that we can put them in the freezer. So firstly, in your bowl of breadcrumbs, add in your grated cheese, shredded cheese, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and parsley. And mix it all together. This can take a few minutes. Now grab another bowl and crack in your 8 eggs. Add your tablespoon of garlic mince and whisk it all together. Line your bowls up in the order of chicken, eggs, and then breadcrumbs, and grab a large container and a few sheets of baking paper, and then we can start. Grab a piece of chicken, dunk it in your egg, and then into your breadcrumbs bowl. Cover it completely with crumbs and make sure that you pat it down to ensure it all sticks nicely. Now repeat this process for the rest of them. After every layer of chicken, lay down a sheet of baking paper on top to separate them all and avoid any of them from sticking to one another. And you're done. Now to cook them. In a pan on low to medium heat, drizzle some olive oil and fry your schnitzels for about 10 minutes, turning them over frequently. The reason why you want to cook them on this heat is to cook through the inside of the chicken properly, and my reasoning behind turning them over so often is to prevent the breadcrumbs from sticking and burning. And they're ready. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more.